Hello everyone, good afternoon. In this video, I am going to talk about how you can download and install MiKTeX and Texmaker for your computer. They are free softwares you can use for writing your PDF document. First, I want to show you how you can download and install MiKTeX in your computer. So go to the website called miktech.org/download. Then you will arrive a web page something like this. So if you scroll down, then you will see a blue download option. Click on the download option. When the download is finished, go to your downloads folder. So you can see an application called Basic MiKTeX and the version of it. Right click on the application and then click on Run as Administrator. It's taking some time. Then you can see there is a dialog box that giving you to choose or do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device. Click yes. Now it's taking some time to prepare the installation process. So now you can see this is if you want accept the terms and condition from the MiKTeX company. So click this checkbox called I accept the MiKTeX copying condition. So click on that and go to next. And here is the option you want to use. I would rather choose install MiKTeX for everyone who use this computer. Select that and click next. And this is your directory folder where the installation will be complete. So if you want to change the folder, just click browse and change the folder. But I want to keep this default folder, so click next. And here is a paper option. You can choose whatever paper you want. I want to keep this like that, and I will change it if I need in the future. Then this is the option called install missing packages on the fly. So I will keep this one for ask me first. Then click next and click start. And now the installation is started and it will take some time to install. Now it's showing the main task is being executed. So click next. And if you want to check for updates now, then click this check for updates now box. And click next. So then the installation process it's completing. So click close. So the next thing I want to do to show you guys how you can download and install Texmaker for your Windows. So go to the website called xm1math.net slash textmaker slash. Then you will arrive to a web page something like that. So the TextMaker is an editor where you can edit your latex code and produce your PDF document. So in the web page, um, I would recommend to click on this the blue download version. Click on that. Then you will arrive to another web page where you can see there are some options for Windows package, for Mac package, and for Linux package. So click on the blue option under the Windows package if you want to install for Windows. And there is two options for Windows package: desktop version and portable version. So I want to use the desktop version, so click on that. Then the download process will start promptly. When the download is finished, go to your downloads folder and you can see a Windows installer called Texmaker and its version. Right click on the application and click on install. And this is the license agreement. I don't want to read it. If you want to read it, you can do that. Go ahead and select this text box called I accept the terms in the license agreement and click install. And it will take some time to install. There was a dialog box called do you allow these apps to make changes on your Windows? Click yes. And when the download is when the installation is finished, then uh, you will see a wizard something like that and click finish. Yes. And yeah, this is the Texmaker. And yeah, I think this video might be helpful you guys. If you want, if you think so, please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe my channel to get more videos from my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Bye.